A roof repair should do two things. One is solve your problems, and the other is protect the value of your home. We've seen a lot of repairs across Western New York that do the opposite. Today, we're talking about bad patches, mismatched shingles, and why a quick fix can sometimes create a bigger problem. The most expensive repair that you'll ever make is the one you have to do twice. As a company, Williams C. Rott & Son has replaced over tens of thousands of roofs in Western New York. That experience helps us decide whether a repair makes sense or whether we'll just be taking your money and not actually solving your problem. We never go in with preconceived ideas. We try and find out what their situation is, what the options are, what the best ones are, recommend those things. A shingle blows off and somebody comes in and puts a new shingle on, and it works. It'll probably displace the water. Hopefully they do a good job for that. But they give you a patchwork quilt that will actually be downgrading your home, taking the value away, so that if you ever sell the house, somebody looking at this is going to be wondering what else is wrong with this home. And gosh, that looks horrible. And I certainly would plan to replace that roof. You know, I wouldn't take a chance. If you're ever going to get or need to get replacement of shingles, if it's more than 1, 2, or maybe at the most 5 years old, you're going to want to replace that whole section of roof. Otherwise, you're going to devalue your home and you're going to regret it. If your car got scratched, would you be okay with them just painting one of the doors? Maybe not even the whole thing? And what would you say? What? No, I expect this to be, it's a brand new car. It better be right. And that's what you should say too, if anybody told you that about your roof. Because it's the same. Your house, how much is that worth? 200, 300, 500,000? And somebody wants to put a patch on your roof that amounts to a wrong color on your car and devalue it. But I can tell you, you don't have to accept that, and you shouldn't accept it. You know, make sure you get a whole section replaced, or maybe your whole roof. And the insurance company, they're obligated to pay for that, just like a car. Holy cow, this is dangerous out here. If you find a shingle on the ground, you might want to get undercover, because there might be more coming. It's either because your roofer or the neighbor's roofer didn't put the roof on right. If you have that situation, look over as best you can your roof, look over your neighbor's roof to see who it might be. So a common misconception is that when you have a problem with your roof, you have to replace the entire thing. Not so. Most of the time, we can give options that will include just replacing entire sections and still give people a 20, 30-year warranty. And that's a great value, especially if you can't, in that moment, afford to do the whole roof, because they're expensive.